Kids Dev TV. Hi kids, let's learn the colors. Red color, R-E-D, red. Pink color, P-I-N-K, pink. White color, W-H-I-T-E, white. Blue color, P-L-U-E, blue. Yellow color, Y-E-L-L-O-W. Black color, B-L-A-C-K, black. Indigo, I-N-D-I-G-O, indigo color. Green color, G-R-E-E-N, green. Brown color, B-R-O-W-N, brown.
Kids, Dev